Nice Christmas. Ang laki-laki ng Christmas. Yeah, laki yan. Ganon, grabe. Ang lamig, Roy. Ayoko na. May nagpipicture. Oh, sorry. Alika na, alika na. Diyan ka, diyan ka. That's why. Kayong dalawa ni Elisa Jen, go, harap. Harap, Elisa Jen, yung smile. Smile. Ano to, Halloween? Elisa Jen, show me. Wow! Elisa Jen, show me this one. Elisa Jen.
Dalawa, hugasan muna. Wow!
Wow!
Kasha ba yan?
Ay, kasha. Perfect.
Kasha rin sa akin yan. Kasha rin sa... Diba na nagdamit ni AJ?
Perfect yung jacket niya. Okay, pagpiliin mo naman si Ako and sa Ako doon. Choose.
I don't know. Alin mas...
Raise your hand if you like this. Come on, raise your hand if you like this. Okay. And sabay kayo.
Okay. Thank
And sabay din kayo, sabay. Surprise! Sige, open mo na. Tingnan natin kung magustuhan nyo. Kung hindi, palitan natin.
Ay, boring!
Sabayan mo.
Daddy, you give the this one. Kanta kami.
Over there. Tignan mo kung mukha ipapa ka na din na. Sige na, tignan mo case.
Alam nga ni Mami.
Like your invitation, love for
Ah.
I thought that you would be a perfect love. You seem so full of sweetness at the start, but like a big red rose that seems made of paper, there isn't any sweetness in your heart. Paper roses.
Caught me sleeping.
Paper
I think he's having a nightmare. Sorry? She's tired. Oh.
For a brand new start.
Maganda ka na pa sa kasama.
Hindi, TV yun.
Along with her, she took my heart. Hey, please tell me how does that seem fair? For her to still far away when she don't care. Another with your heart somewhere far away.
Rain. Nasaan na?
You're dancing, baby?
Hindi, hayaan mo si Daddy kumakanta eh.
For a brand new start. Little does she know that when she left that day, along with her she took my heart.
Show ko, meron siya isang book. Tapos may This is the same concept. Yeah, but we get stuck because there's no guy and we don't know how the song's supposed to sound like. Find it.
Tell her that I love her so.
Sino yan? Sino love mo? Ako naririnig ko yung ano.
Hindi ko alam yung buong kanta.
Masarap lang pakinggan.
Sige, Backstreet Boys sister, alam mo yan.
Falling rain.
Jelly?
falling rain.
Anong ibig?
Doon ka kay ama. Yun na. Tayo sa ito agad. Go there. Tayo din. Isabella, that is over now. Without, yes, it's over now.
Happy New Year, everyone! January 1, 2025. Love you guys. Love you, love you. Bye! Mwah! Pil na niya.
Kangingay.
Careful.
Tayo ba? Bagay yung kanta, yung damit nyo. Ang ganda sa camera ate yung damit nyo. Ah, yan yun. Kaya pala. Ah, naririnig ko kay nanay.
Sa kapanahon ng nanay mo, hindi pa tayo buhay nun.
Hindi pa. Never go away. Lumabas ang boses ni mami, diretso. So hold me close and let me go. Oh my darling, I love you. Galing ni ama pala kumanta eh. Ah,
Ito, sinasayawan na.
next song ikaw.
Ako?
After si ka.
Magkakalamity?
Uy, alam ni Alan din.
Eh, magnanay sila eh.
Oh, darling, how long
Ang alam ni Alan, kapanahonan ni Alan nata to.
Bakit buhay ka na ba nun? Never ko narinig yan.
Okay, paulit mo, isa pa.
Isa pa. Oh!
Our Savior Jesus Christ.
Bakit hindi talit-talit ang anak mo? Ay, asawa mo?
Lasing na te. Let's go back to the manger where Christ the child was born. Let us rejoice, sing a Christmas carol talaga. Carol talaga, Christmas carol. Joy of the Lord. So yung dalawa daw, ireregalo nila daw. Kanino yan? Kay Eliza Jen? Huwag mo nang itiklopalan dyan. Hindi, don't open yours. Kayo ang magre-regalo dyan kay ako. Kotyo.
Open it.
Ama.
I want to put this. Where's
Patingin ako. Lan.
ako?
Ako later, pupunta dito.
No, like ako bag.
Ah, patingin ako. Alam dyan yung gift nyo. Sa regalo nyo kay...
I give this last night.
Last night?
No, I will go give this pag night time na.
Opo, pag night time. Di, sarado mo yun, nakabukas.
Are you also going to give us gift?
Oo.
Last night time?
Oo, night din. I-close mo, baby. I-close mo. Close mo yun, nakabukaw. Makikita nila yung gift mo. Hindi yan. Hindi yung heart. Maganda nga nakabukas yung heart. This one sis, Japan Gold. 16 inches. Gusto mo siya sis? Japan Gold.
Walang nagsising.
Anybody could be that guy. Night is young and the music high. With a bit of rock music, everything is fine. You're in the mood for the dance. Dasalan dyan. When you get the chance, you are the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17.
Makikapit-bahay
Dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine.
Putis na ka, mas malakas pa. Ano yan?
Oh, sige, sige. Labanan mo ako.
You can try having the time of your life. See that girl. Si Ama na ito.
Kapanahon na pera ng
Dancing
tatay ko
queen. Dancing queen Alan dyan. That's why you need to read Alan dyan.
Yes.
Para next year, magkanta-kanta ka na.
Kailangan next year, meron kang
Ano naman, feel natin yan.
At least we have a cake.
cake?
Looking for the new girl.
You wanna sing a
And
fly?
you will do.
Okay, practice na, practice. Dali.
And when you get the chance, you are the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17.
My favorite song.
Dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine. You can dance, you can dance, having the time of your life. Yung,
Your chance.
yung ano mo kanina, yung may heart. Share kayo. Share kayo dalawa. Baliktad kayo, gusto nyo kape. This one have coffee, the other one no coffee. That's mine. I put coffee yan.
Like that one better.
It's happy birthday, Daddy. You kiss Daddy. You kiss Daddy, happy birthday.
Oh, no, 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 no. Don't do it that way.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Paano?
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Kiss. Wow! How's my kiss din? Birthday ko din?
Ako din.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Ako din.
Sige din, Haya din. Kaya birthday din na happy. Haya. Go. Birthday, Haya.
Mahulog ah. Stop training.
Sumasayo si Madam.
Oh.
Paano galit agad?
Don't let me just
Yummy?
last time.
Ano mas masarap yan? May kape yung isa,
Ito
guys.
yung masarap.
Ayan, kasi this one have coffee.
This one no
Okay.
coffee.
I like that one.
Sarap.
No, you have
I
to
like
mix
that
it.
one. Wait, mix it. Wait lang, I wanna...
Ayan na naman, ayan na naman, ayan na naman. Oh, hindi. Let me do.
Sabi ko, alika dito, Daddy. Si Daddy ang gusto kong katabi, hindi kayo. My goodness! Huy! Sabi ko, alika dito, Daddy, tabi tayo. Hindi kayo ang gusto kong katabi. Birthday ni Daddy ngayon. Alis kayo dito, mga walang niya kayo. Mga walang niya kayong anak. Huy, what are you doing? Ano? Do you like this? Oh, si Daddy ang gusto kong katabi nga, hindi nga that.
I thought you juice.
Come on, just sit down. Alan dyan. Nandyan, harap. Bay, nice yan. Laki ng tiyan mo ah.
Mama, this one.
Andoon yung binili natin.
I just don't have this.
Andoon, dalawa na yun. Later you will see.
Start with the syrup.
Wow!
I'll get this one, and you get that.
You get yung one doon sa tabi mo, Daddy.
Oh, I get that.
Mahulog. 1, 2, 3, smile! Why? Go, 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 go! Lakad! Ay, lakad. Diba tong driver ko? Ang hina! Bisa mo! Huwag ganyan, mahuhulog ka. Nox naman! Smile naman dyan! Hindi mo naka-smile! Smile naman dyan! Seryoso naman! You wait, Daddy. Wow! So cute! Tapos picturean ko kayo dun sa may ano. Dun sa may... Go! Very good si Alan dyan, oh. Go, picturean ko kayo dito. Sige, go mo lang. Alessa dyan, ah. 1, 2, 3, smile! Tabi pa! 1, 2, 3, smile! Okay, game! Game na kayo! Go! Doon ka kay Daddy, anak! Iko ka. Sa likod mo.
Halika na, let's go.
Sumasayaw.
Downstairs.
Fresh air? Dancing fountain sa mall. Ooh. Happy holiday! Happy holiday! Lakas ah! Woo! Lakas oh! Diba? Wow! Wow! Dami oh, dami oh! Oh! Oh, you see Alexa Jin there oh? Ganda yun ah. Yan sistery. So negotiable pa naman siya. Mabigat siya at malaki. Malaki siya na mabigat, sisterette. Negotiable pa naman pag cash. Yan. Ganyan siya. Dirty Alan dyan. Hi, Liza Jane. Why your face like that? Why your hair? Makuryente ka. Ikot tayo, ikot. Yo, daddy. Isa, pulutin mo yan. Ayos ah. Lahat, ano may ilaw ah. And a Happy New Year. Picture po kayo dito, daddy ah. Wow, a lot of snow.
It's only
It's cold.
Uh,
Cold, cold. Cold yung snow.
look.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Laki na ng anak ko ah. Magbabike po kami. Bye guys. Saan ka pupunta? Doon. Tingnan mo yung daddy mo.
Oh, that's the outside part.
Oo, matarasal tayo.
Daddy, how you go so fast? Mommy, you can do that too.
Sige, pisa mo.
I am. I just.
Wala na, bisa mo na. 10 minutes, matatapos yung 10 minutes. Tagal ka.
Mommy, you can go down. You can go down. Okay, we're going there back. Okay.
Sige na, oo.
We can do this for 10 minutes.
Uy, tingnan mo naman yung dani. Gilid mo yung dahil sauce.
Alagay kami.
Tingnan mo yung dinadaanan mo para hindi ka makasagasa. Oo.
Where am I so far?
Alam dyan, you're not driving. You're not focusing to your driving. Oo. Saan ba mag-artista? Magsalita ka nga, ako po ay. Ako po si? Ako po si? Sige na. Ako po si? Sige nga, kunwari mag-audition ka nga. Ako po ay si Eliza Jane. Ikasal mo ah. Ilakas mo. Eliza.
You know this one is a swimming pool.
Swimming pool? Saan?
Let's go. You like to tie a hole in there?
Are you sure?
And then you make, and then you make,
Sinong nagsabi?
you
Hindi ito. Doon sa likod yung swimming pool. Happy birthday! I like this. Okay. Ako po
Ako po,
ay si
Ase,
Alan Jan
Alanjan,
Tio.
Teo,
Ipinanganak.
Ipinak,
Ipinanganak.
Ipinak, ha? Ano?
Ipinanganak.
Ipanananak,
Ako.
Ako.
Sa Pangasinan.
Tatanak,
Ha? Anong patatatak? Sa Pangasinan.
Lubang Kasinan,
Tumira ako
Tibera ako,
sa
sa,
Mapandan
Pandan,
ng
na,
4 na taon.
Nang paapat pa taon.
Apat
Apat na
Na-
taon.
na taon.
Apat
At
na
kami
taon.
ay
Nakakape ay.
kami ay
Kape ay.
pumunta
Pupunta.
sa Canada.
Saan mo ang dalawa na ni Mom?
Sige na, mali mo, madiscovery ka sa TV. Sige na.
Are we going to be rich?
Oo naman, bibigyan ka ng pera ng...
Are we going to buy a house?
Oo naman.
How big?
Bahala ka.
A castle?
Hindi, castle, hindi naman bahay ang castle. Gusto mo ba yun? Pasyalan lang yun.
Are we going to
O sige na again. Ako po ay
Ako po ay
8 taon
8 taon.
gulang
Gulang.
na ngayon.
Na kayon.
Na
Nana
ngayon.
yun!
Ang nanay ko ay
Ang nanay ko ay yung $5.
isang,
You can pay me.
sige na, isang
Isa nga.
Pilipina.
Pilipina.
At ang
Aan.
tatay ko ay,
Mami si An.
at ang
At ang
tatay ko ay, tatay ko ay
tatay ko ay
isang
isang
Chinese. Ha?
Luma.
Luma?
Ah,
Chinese.
Chinese.
Na ipinanganak
Katatak.
na.
Ayaw ko na! Tulong.
Mali mo, yayaman ka dito.
Ayaw ko.
Ikaw na lang, Eliza Jean. Eliza Jean.
Nahilig ka.
Eliza Jean, ikaw na. Ako po ay...
Ako po ay...
Sige na, bigyan kita ice cream. Oh, kumakain ka naman. Ako po ay... ang pangalan ko po ay...
Alicia Jane Taylor.
Ipinanganak sa Acerda,
Serda.
Mapandan,
Mapandan.
Pangasinan.
How about we just do it together like together?
Ako ay
Ako
tumira
Mira.
ng
Ng
3 taon sa Acerda.
Serda.
Eliza Jean, ikaw. Eliza Jean.
building something I made.
Hindi, magtagalog ka, sabi ko.
What?
Ako po ay 4 na taon gulang sa Enero. Si Alan dyan naman eh.
This is my back. This is my 2, 3.
Wow, galing naman
This is my
kumanta.
nose. This is my hat.
Mhm.
This is my scar.
Ang galing naman kumanta. Sana guys, ganito kaganda ang sister niyo. Pwede na ba guys?
This
Kailangan ko mag-makeup ng ganyan, kailangan ko magparitoke.
hard, but
Para maging ganito ang mukha ng sister wet
give
mo.
it away.
Pwede ba? Pwede.
This year, to save me from tears, I give it to someone special.
Naks naman, galing ng mga anak kong kumanta.
This Christmas, I give you my heart, but the very next day, you give it away. This year, to save me from tears, I give it to someone special.
Ang galing naman. Ano yung girl? Ano yan?
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rocks. No, I like this.
I like my eyes. I like my makeup.
Hey, like that.
Sana all.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell.
Model? Picture, smile. Very good ah.
And they will sing 2 songs. Just stand right there, so your mom and dad can also see, right? And take picture and video. You all look so beautiful, right? So I am going to start from the oldest one. Okay, Alan Chun, can you say the Bible verse? Hold it. Here you go. It's okay. Just say. Look at to the. Hold up. say Jesus was born. Don't worry about the action. Just say this.
Jesus was born
In.
in Bethlehem,
Matthew.
Matthew 2:1.
Very good. Elizabeth. Okay, say out loud, Elizabeth. Say loud, it's okay. Go. Jesus was. Go. Good job. I'm not looking, I'm looking that side.
It's
Go.
okay.
Good, good. Say loudly.
Just say it.
You want to say together?
Jesus was born.
Jesus, say, was born in Bethlehem. All right. Maybe let your brother read first. Emmanuel, can you stand? And then say it. Take the microphone.
Jesus was born in Bethlehem, Matthew 2:1.
Elizabeth, you want to say it again now? Ready? No? Okay. We'll go with the Eliza James. Go.
Matthew was
2,
2:1.
1. Jesus.
Was born in Bethlehem.
Very good. I'm so proud of you. Oh. Oh, she wants to do that. Go. Ready? Okay, now we're going to do it together. Okay, ready with the actions? Okay. Jesus was born in Bethlehem. Matthew 2. Good job. They're going to sing happy birthday to Jesus, right? So come, let's sing. She's the best in the 3. Happy birthday.
Day to
Happy
you. Happy birthday to you.
Let's do one more time. This time you have to sing loud. I'm not going to sing. Ready? Good. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday to you.
Good. Hold it.
Happy birthday to you.
Very good.
Happy birthday, dear Jesus.
Happy birthday to you.
Now let's do jingle bells, okay? 1, 2, 3, go.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun is our hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun is our life in a wide open sleigh.
Very good. What do you want to say something? What do you want to say? All right. Let me ask you a question.
Wow! Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh. Eliza Jean! Eliza Jean!
What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Oh, okay. So, are you good this year? What do you want to
Santa Claus ano dyan?
come to here? What's your name? Come to here. Come to here. Let me ask you some questions. What's your name? Benny.
Bunny.
Are you good this year? Oh, what do you want this year? Okay. Oh.
Thank you.
gonna sing 5 songs. Yes, 5 songs. You don't know how great job they did. They only take 3 weeks to learn, to practice.
Loop earring and super nice earring. Automatic for only $350, negotiable if cash. Message me mga besh. Thank you so much. Super cute. For adult, it's okay. For teenager, it's okay. For lola, tita, nanay, pwede. Hello guys! For the first time, talaga naman. For the first time talaga naman. Nababasa nyo ba yan guys? So first time po ng lola nyo, alam nyo na des. Ayan, nababasa nyo yan. So, swerte ng makakamain, pero by the way, may nag-order na neto sa akin at 1 year na siya naghihintay sa akin. So ayan, nandito na. Nandito na guys. Ang ganda-ganda po niya. Kasing ganda natin. Ayan na siya. So, super quality. Ayan, super quality po siya guys. Baliktad pa talaga. Ayan. Automatic po yan mga besyo ko. Ayan. Meron po yang parang card. Ayan po. So, congrats talaga sa ating naghintay ng ating watch. Ayan. 4 ang kanyang order but 3 lang ang aking naipadala dito. So, ayan. Super ganda po yan mga besh. Ayan po siya. Oh, diba? Bungalesios. At automatic yan ha. Automatic yan po. Pag sinuot niya, yan na. Tsaka na mag-o-okay yung kanyang oras. Ayan. Thank you sa tiwala mga besh. Thank you so much. Love ya. Sa mga gustong mag-order dyan, PM me. Bye. Thank you so much po. I love you. Bye. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye. Thank you so much po. Thank you. Hello guys. Thank you sa ating pangkabuhayang showcase. At nandito na naman ang ating mga paninda. Malaki po yan guys. Malaking malaki. Mukha lang maliit. At ito ang kanyang extension. Ayan ang ating pangkabuhayang showcase ng mga ating mga Bangkok blouse, mga besyo ko. Meron tayong mga Saudi gold. Ay, meron din akong relo dito, Rolex, bongga. So, ito yung mga pangkabuhayang showcase na natin, mga besh. Dumating na. Hindi na lang ito 30s, kundi padami ng padami. This is, siguro mga 100 pieces. Blouses at mga dress, mga palda, pants. Sorry for you speak Tagalog, guys. But yeah, this is all blouses, pants, square pants. Wow. So maraming mga I have a lot of design na. So thank you sa mga sumusuporta sa ating business. Thank you for talaga. Thank you sa lahat na nagtitiwala mga besyo ko. I love you guys po sa inyong lahat. Filter na filter ang lola nyo, no? Sana all. So yeah, meron tayong SMDC, condo, housing, gold, barley, ano pa? Bahala na si Batman. Basta thank you sa lahat na nagtitiwala sa inyo po lahat. At Merry Christmas. I love you po. Love you guys. Love you so much. Thank you.